Few years back, I had no life outside of work. I was only busy with my office work. I never had time for my hobbies, my personal life. I always blamed my office for that. But over the years, with small changes, I have been able to make time for my hobbies, my personal life, my professional life, social media, and family. Most of the people work without knowing their chronotype. Basically, you need to understand when your energy level is at its peak and low. I'm more energetic in the morning, but after lunch, my energy starts draining out. So, if you do your maximum work or tough work during your energy's peak level, you can do more in less time. I do all my professional work in the morning till 1 pm. After lunch, I try to do my hobbies such as reading, gardening, etc. And in the evening, I finish my all household work, cleaning, cooking, etc. This is weird, but this is how my body and energy level works. And at night, I give time to myself for journaling and meditation. So find out which time you are more energetic and divide your all tasks accordingly. Before taking any action, planning is the most important thing. And to avoid chaos, plan your day night before. When you plan your day night before, you get more time to think before taking any actions. You can organize what task to do when. And you go to sleep with clear intention for your next day. And when you get up next day knowing what to do serially, your job becomes more easy. This is how it increases productivity and reduces chaos and stress. The most easiest way to increase productivity is remove distractions. My all notifications of social media are always off. When I work, I try to keep my mobile in silent or vibration mode. And I try not to make plans during my work hours. Over the year, I learned how to say no. Most of the plans with friends or family are always either in the evening or on weekends. To do more in less time, you always need energy. And you will get energy by eating right food, doing exercise, and taking proper supplements. Everyone's body is unique and works differently. In my free time, if I spend so much time on screen, I get headache and feel like there is no energy left for my main work. So it is really hard, but I try to have less screen time. Spend more time on something which won't eat my energy, rather protect it. So identify what are the activities you are doing on free time which is draining your energy, and replace it with something which will help you to boost your mood and energy level. Small breaks from work give relief to your eyes and relaxes your brain. It increases productivity. I always prefer to take 12 minutes nap in every 90 minutes with my guided meditation. I play the guided meditation and close my eyes for 12 to 15 minutes. It refreshes my mood and I feel more productive. Maybe these are not noticeable points, but in long run you can see big changes. This is how I do more work in less time. I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.